What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Check this out. Not only are we in Fort Worth, Texas, Dallas, Texas for the LMR Cruise in, but of course we are at Buckies. Yes, everybody said go check out Buckies. So as you can see right over there, we are at Buckies, filling up the truck with some diesel. Car is here. It's not necessarily clean. We parked in a dust bowl last night, but yeah, clean as it's gonna get. So today is, of course, the LMR Cruise, and we're super excited to be down here in Texas. It's gonna be an awesome day. So many badass cars. You're not gonna want to miss this one. All right, boys, so as you can see, the first official entrance to Buckies. I know all you Texas guys are gonna kind of laugh at us. We don't have these in Tennessee yet. And I also know Brutal Vlogs is in here somewhere. I'm just not 100% sure where he's at, but man, this place is freaking massive. Oh, I see Brutal Vlogs over there. Jeez Louise. Yeah, this is crazy. Yep, I knew it. I saw him as soon as we walked in. Guys, you don't ever know what you're gonna run into when you come to a Buckies in Fort Worth, Texas. What do you get? You got
these changed my life.
Okay.
A brisket taco.
Brisket taco.
Yeah.
Dang. And of course, the man himself. How'd you sleep, sir?
How you doing? Sleep well?
So what about the clutches you were talking about we're supposed to get?
I got two in the back. They're right over here on the top shelf.
Nice. Okay, so I gotta check this out. Man, this place is nuts. Craziness. All right, so you're from Alabama too. You've never been in Buckies either.
No, ever.
So
this, I'm not gonna lie, Texas puts on.
they really do.
I mean, this is legit. So
we're about to get some coffee here and then head over to the track. Dude, this is gonna be a day.
it is gonna be a day.
I'm excited.
Sure, I'm excited as well.
All right, so a great stop at Buckies. We got some coffee. We got some biscuits. How about it? Hey, there's a Cobra R over there on the gas pump. Too cool. All right, guys, so here's the situation. We are about to head over to Texas Motor Speedway, hook up with the crew from LMR, and get the booth set up, get to rocking. All right, get the car showing up already. Ooh, cool. Now we just got to figure out where in the heck we go in. That's the million-dollar question. Alright, here we go. South Tunnel. This is freaking sweet. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
You going to what event?
The LMR.
All right. Print and signature.
Yes, sir, boys. Texas Motor Speedway. How freaking sweet is this? I freaking love it. Man, this place is huge. I'm telling you guys, video does not do it justice. This is too freaking cool. All right, so got the car unloaded. It's been kind of crazy just getting everything set up because we're like way over there, but they got all kinds of badass rides inside there, a lot of the LMR collection. But just checking out freaking Texas Motor Speedway is amazing. This place is, you got to really see it to believe it. All right, guys, so here we go. You can see right here behind me what a freaking turnout already, and it like literally doesn't even start yet. So we got some badass rides already. So they've got this lot, and then over there they've got another whole lot. So super excited. And what's so badass is all the cars are coming through the tunnel, so you get to hear them like coming through the tunnel making all kinds of noise. Super excited to be here in Texas. You can see they're going to be filling this entire lot over here too, so we're pumped. This is a freaking experience, guys. I'm trying to tell you, what an experience. All these badass rides coming in. I love the old Florida. Pretty sweet right there. All kinds of Terminators. Lining them up. You can see this, guys. They're gonna fill this entire freaking parking lot over here. gotta come over here to the shirt tent. See all the LMR crew. Shout out to all the LMR crew. It's been an awesome day. Got all the wheels out. What a freaking amazing time. All right, guys, so we're gonna stick our heads in here and see just a few of these badass rides. Beautiful, looks like a comp prep SVO. I'm not an SVO expert, but looks good. Gorgeous LX hatch. Freaking beautiful. Dude, I thought we were gonna get to hear the Vortec.
Oh yeah, man.
Is this the noisy Vortec?
Yeah.
Dude, we gotta hear the noisy Vortec. Got the SVE comps on it. Got the fresh interior. Original reef blue car?
No, this is the 90s painted.
Okay.
It was a highlight.
Ah.
Yeah, I mean, I'd love to have a reef blue with black interior, you know.
Yeah, hey, me too. Hey, dude, this sounds great. Got the little cam chop. Very nice. All right, so Cody Shop, his last name? Okay, Shoppy, okay. So, dude, you got to tell me about this car. Oh, man. So did you do the custom paint work yourself? Or?
We had a couple guys my dad worked with help us paint it.
Okay.
It was kind of a debate on the black on the car, whether we're going to do it or not, because it's
Gotcha.
so hard to keep clean.
Yeah.
And then the stripe was a unique idea that my dad came up with. I talked about it.
Damn, that's amazing. Super cool. Got the SVE wheels on there.
Yeah, those are new additions in it.
Yeah, those are the ones with the rivets. Wow. So you got some goodies under the hood too, I see.
Shorty headers, off-road X-pipe.
I love it. Guys, you guys killed this. I mean, absolutely amazing work. Fist bump. Thank you for letting me show it.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it'll be dropping this Friday with an LMR dyno video.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
I will be watching for that one,
Yeah.
for sure. All right, so guys, this is probably the coolest freaking, this is, you know, where they park a lot of the NASCARs and stuff, and I've never actually been down in this area on a track, but now it's filled with Mustangs. Gorgeous FHP here. Oh, man. That looks to be a survivor car. Got some mods under the hood. And then, of course, the teal. Guys, the teal in real life is enough to just make you, I don't know. But it's beautiful. Then we got comp prep, track prep. I don't know. It's got carbon fiber wheels. That's all I know. All right, let's get on over here. We got some badass new edges, boys. All right, so this is the TMI. Woo, dude. I love it. The TMI stuff for the new edges. Yeah, I dig it. That was my thing, was like with the some of the Fox stuff, it wasn't all that great, but that is like the fit. Dude, this thing looks great. This 0203. Freaking, dude, I wish Cherry Bomb was this nice. Cherry Bomb's kind of a turd. This one is not. Cow hood and everything. Dude, you got the Cobra brakes, the Terminator mirrors.
Skirts.
Oh, look at me not paying attention. But again, guys, huge shout out, by the way, to Kirk from LMR. Always takes good care of us. And you guys at LMR killed it today. You can see by the hat, it's been a long day.
Couldn't do it without y'all.
Hey, team effort, brother.
That's right.
And the car looks primo. All right, boys, I had to sneak over here real quick. Ultra freaking clean 4i. Oh my God, like this thing's on VR60. Freaking beautiful. And the Gen 1 light. Look at all these YouTubers. Hey, I bet you got a YouTube and this guy's got a, dude, what's going on? Dude, I'm checking out this Gen 1 light. What do you think about this, yeah?
I think I need one.
Landon, have you dynoed this one?
This one, no.
Have you done one on the dyno?
I don't think we've done one. We did dyno one. We did that 351 Bronco.
That's right. Yeah, that was a good one.
We call it the juice.
The juice.
You know, white 96 Bronco.
For obvious reasons, right? Guys, if you don't know Landon from the LMR YouTube channel, he's done a few videos, right?
Several. I lost count. Maybe thousands. I don't know.
So can Landon walk us around?
Yeah,
dude, okay. We're getting a first-hand tour. And y'all do call it Mercury Rising, right? Or was that the title of the video?
Around the shop, it's Uncle Ted's car.
Uncle Ted's car, okay.
Yes, to the public, it's Project Mercury.
Now, Brutal won't like this car. He doesn't like coyotes. So, look, I got him.
Always.
Man.
But yeah, this right here was completely stripped down. It was about an 18 to 20 month process. It was a completely, completely hit the car from Uncle Ted. Uncle Ted had no idea what was happening. So parts would come in and receive it, and the crazy part is he was working and receiving at the time. So there would be boxes come in. He knows, stuff for, NOS stuff for his car, nice used takeoff stuff for his car. He had no idea.
That's crazy. Dude, you guys just hit all the details. Those are SVE Series 1s.
Those are Series 1s.
They don't look like it.
They don't. That was a custom job.
And of course the SVE brakes and
yep. That was all. That was Shannon's vision.
Oh God, dude, you guys just nailed it.
He knocked it out of the park.
Yeah, that is awesome.
This guy right here, this is the owner. This is Uncle Ted.
You're responsible for this, sir?
Yes, sir.
Very nice car.
Thank you very much.
Very nice. Uh-oh. There's the Blue Angels. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap it up, but we've got a drawing real quick here. We got a drawing. So here's how the drawing worked. If for every one subscriber, follower, page like of Foxcast Media, you get one ticket. So a total of 3 per person. And it's about time to draw. Actually, I think Levi should draw it. What do you think? Levi, you want to draw? Even though he's got a ticket, no objections, anyone? Yeah. All right, just all you gotta do is close your eyes and pull a ticket out. Okay, you're good. Oh God. Sorry guys, Blue Angels.
5755.
What is it? All right, 304-5755.
Anybody? 5755?
There's the ticket right there.
No?
Yeah. All right, so since a lot of people left, if that was your ticket right there, shoot me an email. Email's below. I will send you the prize pack because you're the first winner. But we don't really have any way to get anybody over here that I know of.
Yeah.
So let's draw again.
All right.
Did we get a winner? 5702. Woo! How about that? Okay, what size shirt?
Medium.
Medium shirt. Okay.
We already put an extra large in there.
Okay, well I'm gonna go get him the right size.
All
right. Give me 2 seconds, run the truck, get you the right size, and I'll be right back.
Look.
All right, guys. So kind of wrapping up here at the LMR Cruise in, and I got my boy Tyler. Dude, you're tired. I'm tired. We're hungry.
Oh, it was a great event.
What a day!
Great event.
What a day! And shout out to you guys.
Appreciate that.
Guys, if you're on the pages and stuff, and you see them jumping in to help customers all the time, he's part of that. You will oversee that.
Yeah.
Like,
jump in time to time.
Just
That's what we're all about.
But oh God, here we go. More Blue Angels. But anyway, shout out again to LMR. Like, you got all the crew here. What's up, guys? Thank you for all the hard work today. Thank you for the great products, great customer service. LMR, you guys rock. He's busy, man. He's on the
He's doing his job.
That's right. But again, huge shout out to the crew at LMR. You guys are top notch.
Thank you for coming all the way out.
Had a blast.
Yeah.
Hungry and tired.
Yeah.
We'll worry about that later.
Yeah.
You look a little red there too.
I think I got a little bit of sun. It's all in good fun, though.
That's right.
As long as everybody had a good time.
That's right. And we'll be back next year because this was great.
Got it.
Again, LMR for the win, guys. Thanks for watching. See you at the Cruise In next year. We'll finish it off with the Blue Angels. Later.